Hi, I am Hawk. Today I was seeing Deco over V2's SP Pen drawing reference on my PC on my computer. Yes, this is Deco's O1 V2's SP Pen. SP Pen. Oh, SP Pen drawing reference. Okay, I was seeing. Okay, I have already opened it. Now, what's inside? This is so much tablet. Okay, now. Okay. Adapters. Pen. Quick guide. Thank you for supporting. Quick guide SP Pen drawing travel for Android device. Graph. USB. Screen protector. Changer. Pen charger. We will be back after finish balancing.
Love and more, right or wrong, I'm always right. Don't be demanding or lazy.
Quit laughing at me!
You tell the chick she needs to wear makeup.
Okay, I have already brought things too, so I have to put on my PC. So today I can you touch my SP Pen. Okay, right appearance. So I have to use pen to my PC. Before you start, open Wake Up first. Now it can touch me. Okay, I can touch my PC. We will be right back after importing Wake Up Bowl.
We can have dinner. Nothing fancy though. And some fun, maybe. I can be...
Oh my god!
Wow. Here, read that!
I will see you. So you this here. I will see cursors. Yeah. Okay. Alright, you ready? Set. Go. Ooh, I can see. I can see. Oh ho ho ho. Woo.